everyone, my name is Yulia Halata and I am a full-time artist. This video is a general overview of how I paint my artworks and especially this painting of Emerald Lake in Canada. I paint in alla prima style, which means I work wet on wet in one session. But because my paintings are very detailed, I work in small sections instead of the whole canvas at once. This helps me keep the paint wet and blend colors naturally. I usually start with the sky, then move to the line of the mountains and forest, and finally the lower part, and lake or meadow. Realistic and detailed paintings like mine can be finished in one day. I don't really care much about paint brands. Right now I have more of a mix of different ones, because I choose colors, not brands. I usually have shades that I love and keep coming back to. I am obsessed with yellow-green. I know it's easy to mix yourself, but I still prefer buying it. And I brought this perfect, precious, irreplaceable turquoise blue from Ukraine. I have already tried to find it in like 3 different brands here in Germany, but it's still not the same. I'm still searching. In general, I always have a few core colors on my palette, and that's what I mostly paint with. Titanium white, always titanium because I love how opaque it is, lemon yellow, medium yellow, orange, red, grass green, flato green, phthalo green, medium blue, ultramarine, and black. I also have ochre, carmine and emerald green, but I use them not every time. Now about brushes. Mostly I use synthetic ones, and sometimes natural brushes. I have a mix of both. The ones I absolutely can live without are liner brushes and flat synthetic brushes in different sizes. If I'm working on a large painting, it's hard to cover everything with synthetic brushes, so then I switch to a more rigid natural brush. Round brushes haven't really impressed me so far. And again, I don't really care about brands. I just pick the shape I need. I have noticed that a lot of artists at the beginning want to buy the best materials and right away. And of course, that's great if you can afford it. But I learned with some of the cheapest materials, and honestly, I didn't feel like it held me back at all. Of course, if you are painting professionally, good quality materials is very important. But if you are just starting, I'd recommend going for something in the middle. But please, not super cheap from regular stores. Better to buy from art stores, because even the cheapest materials there are already decent and actually nice to work with. And in general, the most important thing in painting is just to paint. The more you paint, the better you get, no exceptions. There are no hidden secrets or magic insights, just paint every day. Because you can have the best materials and still make a bad painting. But if you have the skill, you could create something beautiful even with a stick in the sand. For the lower layer, I usually use a broad natural brush to set light and shadow immediately. Then I blend colors with a synthetic white brush if needed. This gives a smooth foundation for all the layers to come. Almost all following layers are done with liners of different sizes, depending on the size of the painting. I don't use medium brushes much. My love for liners means that many people say things like, Your mountains look like embroidered threads, and the sky looks like snowflakes. And I love hearing that. It's amazing to see that over time certain recognizable elements appear in my work, even without me trying. Most of the vegetation I paint with dots of liners in different shades. It's a slow, detailed process, but it creates depth that's hard to get with a regular brush. And yes, working in sections may look less impressive in the process, because you don't see the whole image forming at once. But this method allows me to control every detail and create harmony across the painting. Every dot, every line a stroke, that's what makes a painting feel alive, even if it takes longer to finish. Painting this way requires patience, observation, and daily work, but it also gives freedom. You can explore tiny details, adjust colors, and really enjoy the process. For this particular painting, I found a perfect combination of colors: emerald green and turquoise blue. These shades work beautifully together and give life to this painting. And a small tip: don't be afraid to experiment with shades that seems unusual at first. For me, emerald green and turquoise blue brought the landscape to life in a way I hadn't expected. Sometimes the right color combination creates magic in a painting. And this is how I approach my paintings. You can buy this painting and other landscapes on my website, yuliahalata.com. I also create commission paintings and will be happy to paint something for you. I'm also very active on my Instagram, so feel free to check it out. I'd love to see you there. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support with likes and comments. It really motivates me. I wish you good luck with your art. See you next time. Bye bye.